Introducing the future of CNC machining, the all-new twin G165 with gantry automation by Daewoo Machines. Built for speed, engineered for accuracy. Dual spindle, high torque performance, non-stop productivity. It's not just a machine, it's a game changer for modern manufacturing. Equipped with smart gantry automation, it ensures seamless loading and unloading, zero human intervention. Zero downtime, compact design, heavy-duty structure. Built to handle the toughest jobs 24/7. Whether it's mass production or precision parts, Twin G165 delivers. Designed in India, made for the world. Smart factories are choosing Daewoo for reliability, innovation, and automation. Twin G165 with gantry automation. Unlock the next level of CNC machining. Only at Daewoo Machines, where technology meets power.